Hello, in this tutorial we're going to focus on extracting or accessing the media that you've captured within your survey instrument. And as you know, our mobile survey apps can capture voice comments, verbatim comments, images, as well as video. So I'm here in the SurveyManager, I'm in the reporting module, and I'm just going to go ahead and create a simple summary report from a survey that we've created with some dummy data in it, and show you that you can, I'll just scroll on down here. It's a fairly long survey. And of course you can include media within your survey as well as capture media via the microphone or the camera of the either tablet or mobile phone. So here we have a show detail by question 74. This happens to be a verbatim comment, so you'll see these icons which when I click on will then play that verbatim recording of the respondent in the respondent's own voice. So I'm going to go back and I'll show you also how we can do the similar. We handle images. You'll see here you can include media within your survey instrument itself. But I'm just going to go in here and show you, oh, that's some text. Let's see here. Here's a picture question. So let's go in and look at the detail behind this particular question. And these are various images that were taken. So if I click on them, they expand to full and quite high resolution. So let me go back. Oops, I'm in the wrong. There we go. Back here and back into the survey. Now, what happens when you export this survey? Because, of course, you can export the survey report in various ways. PDF, Excel, Word, PowerPoint. And if I go ahead and export this to Excel, then I have the option of viewing it in an Excel file, like you see here. So this is the summary data. Then for each open-ended question, we have a separate tab. We also have a raw data tab at the end. And if we click on one of these URLs, it will go directly to whatever that media is, be it a sound recording, a video, or an image. Okay, so you can view your media within the report itself. You can export the report and view the media by via a link to that media on the SurveyManager. Or let's go back here, and you also have another option of going to the raw data tab in the sidebar, which is where I've gone now. And you can, of course, export the raw data here as well. So if I export to Excel or SPSS or CSV, I'll also have access to those media links. But let's say you don't want links, you want the actual media asset itself. Then you would go to the Export Media Files link, which I've just done. You would then select, of course, your survey. You can select by locations or all locations. You can even filter by device, which will allow you to select those surveys captured on particular devices. You can also export completed surveys, incomplete, or both. Let's select both, and then I'll go ahead and export media files. And now what it's doing is it's going to compress those media files into a compressed zipped file and give it here within the browser, and it's downloading now. This is 15 megabytes worth of media, and I can just go ahead and click on that folder, and here's all of my media. Here are all my image files, sound files, etc. from this particular survey. So you have a number of different options to access the media that you're capturing within the survey instrument using our native offline mobile survey app known as Touchpoint Mobile. So this concludes the tutorial on accessing your media files, and thanks for your time.